Now, we'll dive into Autopilot pre-provisioning, its specific advantages, and why an organization might choose this method over other Autopilot options. Pre-provisioning is a method within Windows Autopilot that allows IT admins, partners, or OEMs to set up devices in advance. This means that most of the configuration and setup tasks are completed before the device reaches the end user. As a result, when the user receives the device, they can start using it immediately with minimal setup time required. Pre-provisioning with Windows Autopilot represents a trade-off in organizational priorities, as it seeks to minimize end-user involvement in provisioning while increasing involvement of IT staff. It also potentially increases the time it takes for an end user to receive a device, as it must go through the pre-provisioning process first. There are several specific advantages to using pre-provisioning, though. Pre-provisioning delivers most of the configuration in advance, allowing the end user to get to the desktop faster. This reduces the time spent on device setup during the out-of-box experience. By handling the bulk of setup beforehand, users can start using their devices with necessary applications and settings already in place. This leads to a smoother and more efficient onboarding process. Pre-provisioning ensures that all devices are configured consistently according to the organization's policies and standards. This helps maintain compliance and reduces the risk of misconfiguration. By pre-configuring devices with security policies and applications, organizations can ensure that devices are secure from the moment they are powered on. This aligns with the Zero Trust security model by enforcing security measures before the device is handed over to the end user. Pre-provisioning can be particularly beneficial in scenarios where end users have limited bandwidth. By downloading and installing large packages during the pre-provisioning process, organizations can avoid potential delays and disruptions for end users. In conclusion, Autopilot pre-provisioning offers a streamlined and efficient way to deploy Windows devices while adhering to the Zero Trust security model. By leveraging pre-provisioning, organizations enhance user experience, maintain consistency and compliance, and ensure that devices are secure from the start.